So these are the results from the noise comparison that I've just performed. I'm pretty sure there's at least one result in there that will surprise you. With the arrival of the Air 3, many of you have asked the question, what is the difference in sound level between the DJI lineup? So in this video, we will compare the noise level between the Air 3, the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the Mavic 3 Classic. I'll be conducting the experiment in somehow, maybe not real professional, but I'll be using a sound meter that will read out the decibel levels for each drone. I will put the drone to have a fixed takeoff position on this sunbed here, on the edge of this sunbed, so we make sure that we perform more or less the same test for each of the different models. Also, I strapped on a field recorder on this C-stand over there that is positioned around ear height. That will allow you to give you an idea of what is the flavor of the sound from each drone. I'll be putting this mini sound meter next to the field recorder so we get sort of the decibel level of what you're actually hearing. And we will conduct a test in 1.2 meters as well in 10 meters height. Let's get on with it. It is pretty calm today, but there is a slight wind, so of course the results might differ a little bit. But let's just establish a baseline. Around 40 to 41 dBA. I decided to change the plan a little bit. I want to do sort of the takeoff 1.2 meters, I want to do 10 meters, and then I want to put it in 30 meters. So we have basically 3 measurements for each drone. Let's start out with the Air 3.
Takeoff.
The next victim will be the Mavic 3 Classic. As the base of the Mavic 3 series is the same and it's only the camera that differs, you can expect the same noise level from the Mavic 3 Pro as well as the other Mavic 3s that have been released in the past. Finally, the Mini 3 Pro, which is expected to have the same noise level as the Mini 3. So these are the notes. I will convert those into a table, but before I do that, I just want to make sure to take another reference measurement on the environment. It's still around 39 to 40 dBA. Of course, these numbers will vary if they were recorded inside like a professional soundproof studio because it's impacted by the environment that we're in. But it will give you a pretty good idea how the different models are ranging against each other. So these are the results from the noise comparison that I've just performed. I'm pretty sure there's at least one result in there that will surprise you. As you can see from the table, the Mavic 3 Pro is actually less noisy at 10 meters. So let's double check that. By repeating the test, and that also emphasizes the sensitivity of these measurements, I got results that were much closer to each other. But there was no significant difference as far as I can see. So the noise level around 10 meters for the Air 3 and the Mavic 3 series is approximately the same. That might come as a surprise. That's more or less reflected in the two other altitudes as well. As the Mini 3 Pro series is significantly quieter, which we would kind of expect. Alright, are there other things that you would like to see a comparison of with the new DJI Air 3? Then let me know in the comments below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.